Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday evening, September 22nd, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Biotech to be included in the SPI ESG Index. Biotech AG has been announced to be included in the SPI ESG Index of the SIX Swiss Exchange starting today, September 22nd, 2025. This move showcases the company's dedication to responsible investing and sustainable governance. Dr. Christian Koch, head Biotech at Bellevue Asset Management, emphasized the significance of this inclusion, highlighting the company's focus on biotechnology companies that generate financial value while benefiting society. The SPI ESG Index, established in 2021, features companies from the Swiss Performance Index selected by INRATE based on stringent sustainability criteria, offering investors a clear benchmark for sustainable equity investments in Switzerland. Biotech's visibility among ESG-focused investors is expected to increase, reinforcing the appeal of its portfolio for the long term.
Beeline Holdings to present at Centurion One Capital Bahamas Summit. Beeline Holdings, a digital mortgage platform, will present at the Centurion One Capital 3rd Annual Bahamas Summit on October 28 to 29, 2025. CEO Nick Luza will deliver the company presentation, while COO Jess Kennedy and CFO Christopher Moe will join a panel discussion. Liuza stated Beeline is well-positioned for strong growth in 2026 and looks forward to showcasing the company's progress and vision to global growth investors at the invitation-only event. Beeline Holdings, Inc. is a trailblazing mortgage fintech, transforming the way people access property financing through its fully digital, AI-powered platform, headquartered in Providence, Rhode Island.
Xpansiv expands Asian market footprint with NH Investment and Securities partnership to scale carbon and renewable credit trading. Xpansiv and NH Investment and Securities Co. Ltd. sign a memorandum of understanding to collaborate on expanding access to carbon and renewable energy certificate markets in Korea and globally. NHIS will join Xpansiv's CBL Spot Exchange and use Xpansiv Connect for client trading. NHIS aims to empower clients in environmental markets. Xpansiv CEO John Melby sees this as a step towards supporting Korea's environmental commodities markets. Xpansiv operates the largest spot exchange for environmental commodities and provides registry infrastructure for energy markets. NHIS, a leading financial institution in Korea, offers carbon finance services and climate technology investment programs. For more information, visit Xpansiv's website at xpansiv.com and NHIS's website at nhqv.com/index.html.
AIRO expands market visibility with Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes. Inclusion. AIRO Group Holdings, Inc. has announced its successful inclusion in the Russell 2000 and Russell 3000 indexes, effective September 22, 2025. Dr. Chiranjeev Kathuria, executive chairman of AIRO, stated that this highlights the strength of their strategy and investor confidence. Being part of these indexes expands AIRO's visibility globally, driving growth and enhancing shareholder value. Membership in the Russell 2000 Index showcases AIRO's market capitalization and growth trajectory, attracting institutional investors and supporting long-term shareholder value. AIRO focuses on aerospace, autonomy, and air mobility, with 4 key operating segments: drones, avionics, training, and electric air mobility. Forward-looking statements in this press release highlight the potential benefits of AIRO's inclusion in the Russell indexes, subject to risks and uncertainties outlined in regulatory filings.
Lights, camera, finance. The 2025 FinTalk Awards spotlight the leaders of digital money education. Lights, camera, finance. Debt.com introduces the 2025 FinTalk Awards, honoring creators who are reshaping the conversation around personal finance. This year's awards, previously known as the FinTalk Awards, have expanded beyond TikTok to recognize influencers across various platforms like YouTube and Instagram Reels. These creators serve as mentors, offering practical money advice that can truly make a difference in people's lives. Fans can vote for their favorite creators in categories such as Best YouTube Creator, Best Money Talk Influencer, Best Real Money Creator, Best Podcast or Audio Series, and Best Financial Hispanic Creator. Join the conversation on social media using #FinTalkAwards and support your favorite creators. Visit debt.com/fintalk-awards for more information and to cast your vote. Voting is open from September 22nd to October 6, 2025.
Bimergen Energy engages red chip companies to lead investor relations efforts. Bimergen Energy Corporation has engaged red chip companies to lead its investor relations efforts. With a 2.0 gigawatt portfolio of battery energy storage system projects, Bimergen is poised for growth in the renewable energy sector. RedChip will help broaden Bimergen's visibility among investors, highlighting their commitment to stable, long-term revenue streams. With U.S. data center power demand set to double by 2030, Bimergen is well-positioned to capitalize on industry growth. RedChip, an international investor relations firm, offers a comprehensive service platform for microcap and small-cap companies, including digital media investor relations, investor webinars, and more.
Investor interest in AI seems to be tilting towards long-term focus. Artificial intelligence has been a hot topic in recent years, but investor interest seems to be shifting towards a long-term focus. While headlines may suggest a slowdown, the numbers show that investors are still pouring billions into AI, but with a different approach. Instead of chasing quick profits, the focus is now on building for the long term. This shift creates a stable environment for companies like Thumbs Up Media Corp, NASDAQ, TUP, to expect a steady pipeline of AI innovations. Tech MediaWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on companies driving the future of technology, offering a wide array of tailored corporate communications solutions for public and private companies. Wall Street wants cash flow, and this gold market is finally delivering. Gold prices surged to record highs in September 2025, outperforming major indices and cryptocurrencies, driven by a weaker U.S. dollar and central bank buying expectations. Goldman Sachs predicts prices hitting $3,700 by year-end and $4,000 by mid-2026, possibly reaching $4,500 if investors shift to bullion. ESGold Corp, ESGF, stands out as a scalable junior producer with permits, funding, and profit potential. With a low capex, high-margin model, ESGold offers leverage and scalability, unlike physical gold or ETFs. Other key players in the mining sector include Newmont Corp, Pan American Silver Corp, Hanel PS, Hecla Mining Co., HL, and Freeport-McMoRan Inc., FCX, focusing on expertise to capitalize on the current market. Record gold prices create unprecedented opportunities for near-term producers. Gold has reached a new record high, exceeding $3,500 an ounce, driven by a weakening U.S. dollar and expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut. LaFleur Minerals Inc. is well-positioned to benefit from this trend, transitioning from explorer to producer with a fully permitted gold processing mill and strategic assets in Canada. Other key players in the mining sector include SSR Mining Inc., New Gold Inc., Nikola Mining, and West Red Lake Gold Mines Limited. With rising gold prices, companies with near-term production potential like LaFleur offer unique value propositions for investors seeking to capitalize on the market environment. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.